What's up guys and welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome trap beat using guitar melodies. So in this tutorial I'm going to cover the following topics. So first I'm going to create a really simple chord progression. Afterwards I'm going to create a really simple guitar melody based on that chord progression and then add a second guitar melody on top of that chord progression. Then I'm going to add another element to the beat, and when the melodies are finished I'm going to add the drums and guide you through that project and show you how I've created everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I'm going to start at 150 BPM. And then I'm going to start off with Omnisphere. So I'm going to use this pad preset first, this one, and just create a really simple chord progression. So let's start off with this C flat right here. And I'm going to add this E flat. So this chord progression goes well together with this A flat, I think, and F flat right here. So I think the chord progression has to look something like this. So I'm going to cut out some of the low and high frequencies. So right now I'm going to use the ample guitar L. So I'm just going to use the default preset and I'm going to copy my chord progression to the guitar and just solo the guitar. And right now I'm just going to make the notes a little bit shorter and just create a really simple pattern like this. So I'm just going to copy this one and I think just a D flat. So I think it's just really simple, but I think we can build a melody using this progression. And right now I'm going to add another progression on top of this one. So I've turned down the melody one octave and I've played around with the velocity and right now it sounds like this. So right now I'm going to add a melody using the ample guitar SH. So I think I'm going to use this Dream Come True preset, this one. And I'm just going to follow the chord progression. So first maybe start off with this E right here, this one and this one. So I've randomized the velocity and just turned them down a little bit, and right now it sounds like this. So I think I'm going to add another element on top of this one. So I think this choir sounds really cool. So I'm just going to copy some notes from my chord progression to this one. Just duplicate this one, I think. So I think I'm finished creating all the elements and right now I'm going to add the drums and guide you through the final project. So this is the final beat and I think the outcome is really awesome. So I've copied all the elements to one channel rack and I'm going to guide you through all the elements step by step. So this is what the melody sounds like when I've added all the effects. So these are the elements which I've added to the guitar L. So this melody right here. So I've added this EQ, this RC20, some wobble and distortion and the magnetic preset right here. I've just added a stock plugin which is Fruity Flangus, which I think is really awesome to add to your guitars. And then I've added some compression. Then I've added the main melody on top of this one. And right here I've also added this RC20, an imager, and a lot of reverb, so I added this concert hall preset. This pad right here, just slightly in the background. And then I've added some drums, so I've added this clap right here. Just a really tight one. Then I've added some hi-hats. Just the most basic pattern. Then I've layered it with another clap, this one. Then I've added this crash right here. Then I've added some snares. And I've turned them up in pitch, I've pitched them up right here. Then I've added this open head to turn up the bounce. Then I've added the 808, this one. Which I think is a really awesome pattern. And then I've just duplicated the 808 and just reversed it. Like this. I've added some notes right here where there is no 808 playing, so these parts right here, and it sounds like this. Which I think is really awesome, and right now I'm going to guide you through the arrangement. So first, just guitars playing. So I think the bounce is really awesome. Basically the beat is repeating again. And right here the choir is coming in. And right here I've added the bass line. So this one. And just following the chord progression, this one. And right here, just before the hook is coming in, I've just used this part of the 808, so this one. And that's basically it when it comes to this beat. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have another suggestion for a video, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.